action here, and yeah, I know. It's been a long time coming, but I am back, and as you will see, we are in a new location. The latest action cave has finally turned into the action pad, and when I tell you the experience of moving into your own home is surreal, I truly mean it. Oh my God, I've never felt more grown up. Anyway, guys, the reason I've been away for so long is, of course, the move, and also I had a little bit of a medical problem with my head, a little bit of surgery. Don't worry, I'm okay. It's just that they had to take some out and, put some stuff back in. But I am back and I am ready to go. So today, I bring you a little bit of closure because it took almost 5 to 6 months to find this. I know the Infinity War hype has kind of gone down, even though the Blu-ray has just released. Go check that out, pick that up in case you guys didn't see the film, because the film will leave you on the edge of your seat bit by bit. Usually with these Marvel movies, you feel like the heroes are pretty much okay, that they won't run into any danger, or that the stakes aren't really high, and you know that at the end of the film, at the end of the film, the heroes will win. Not in this one, guys. I'm telling you, no spoilers if you haven't seen it, but please go out, buy that Blu-ray, and experience it for yourself. Anyway, I found this bad boy at my Washington, D.C. Walmart. You guys told me not to go through scalpers and all that good stuff because they might scam. They don't want to, and I don't want to get a replica of a replica. So we finally found him. The tensions were high. I ran into the store because I noticed that they had them online, so I literally got out of my bed here and drove 3 hours to get there. Oh man. Like I got it actually like 2 days ago, but still it's like I'm exhausted from it, but I am excited. Whew. You got our handy dandy cutter? I don't know which way to go at this bad boy. Oh, looks like someone at Walmart accidentally already opened it. Damn Walmart. I'm gonna act like I opened it. Oh! Okay. Oh, it comes with some instructional guide off the top. Okay. Cool picture of the Gauntlet. Insert batteries, chip. Oh, battery. I didn't know it came with batteries. Whatever. Oh, drop something. Yeah, it's gone. Alright, so some boxes, I guess. Oh man. Oh man. It actually doesn't come packed with much. You got Gauntlet, and then you have some boxes. I guess I thought like batteries would be in here, but I guess not. Okay. Let's just take a minute to appreciate the box. I mean, gosh, guys. Look at that. So detailed. You would have thought this was straight off of Thanos' hands itself. So let's read it. We got Avengers Infinity Gauntlet. Articulated electronic fist. And some languages that I can't pronounce. The pulsating stone glove, gems, blah blah blah, some names I can't pronounce. Fist lock display mode, 19.5 inches. This thing is freaking massive. Adult, not for children. Hey guys, let's get it out the plastic. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so your fingers actually don't come up here. They stop right about here. And you're pulling on some type of strings. Oh, gee, that is sick. It takes some getting used to because it's definitely, like your knuckles are hitting this hard surface, so when you hit it, it's like pow, pow, ow, ow. But this is pretty cool. The detail in this thing is out of this world. Look at it. Isn't it? This is a real glove. It's like that thing at the bottom of a door. So it has this like inside the glove. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, but inside the glove, it's like that gripper there that you're supposed to hold with your hand, and then you're pulling on those strings to create the poses and emotions that you want. What do they mean by locker? What is a locker? some batteries in this, guys, and I'll be right back. And I have the batteries in this bad boy. Okay, so let's give it a try. Oh man, you hear that? That is awesome. One does not find it humorous when it comes to balance in the universe. But I must admit, it does put a smile on my face. Yo, man. If this was only real, I got a few bills that would just disappear. The detail in each stone is awesome too. They're like little rocks. It really is cool. When you press this button, it glows. And it makes that dramatic noise. And the reality mind stone. Oh man, this is so cool. I wish it could do more. Like, I really wish I could put my hand in this glove and wear this thing. Like, it's kind of hard to do certain motions. Like I said, that knuckles hitting up against here. But that when you lift these strings down and really give it your all, man, that is cool. I really wish I could do the snap. Like, if I could really do the snap, man, this would be above and beyond. Should've went for the head. Ah! What did you do? Oh, man. Woo! I had an itch. How about? Ow! Ow! Fudge. Don't try that at home, guys. Don't try that at home. That hurt like crazy. Anyway, guys, I am so excited to be back and for my returning video to be something that I've longed for. Going to be getting back to getting my reviews because I've collected quite a few figures over the time. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Latest Action, you'll be able to see all the new finds that I pick up from each and every store. I actually just started collecting the Dragon Ball Z Dragon Star series, so if you guys really are into Dragon Ball Z and want to see those figures, let me know at the bottom because just like this thing, they are awesome! Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing some more reviews on those figures, some more video game reviews, and possibly some more movie reviews, you know, just when the Marvel and the DC films come out. You know, I like all types of films, but mainly I focus on, you know, my geekdom, if you will, because those are what really excite me and what really I have a passion for. But, I am so... What about that lock thing? What's going on with that lock thing? Let me see it. Is this it? Oh. Oh, did I break it? Nah, I didn't break it. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Oh, it locked. It locked. Here, guys. It's your turn. Oh, man. This is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, man, I gotta find a spot for it somewhere in here. It's so big it doesn't even fit on the shelf. Oh, my gosh. Yo, just imagine Thanos hot-fiving you. It probably would have felt like when I did it earlier. Pow! Ah, man! Oh, man. Hey, would you unlock it? Oh, yeah, you gotta unlock it. Once you unlock it. Yeah, this is definitely awesome, guys. I just wish it could do more. This thing is not cheap. This is definitely a prop for an adult. This is not to be played with. But this thing hurts. Can you imagine punching this thing? Ah! Ah! Oh! I hope they miss you. Oh, man. Whew. E.T. phone home. Oh, look away. Sorry. Ow. Yeah, this... You definitely gotta have a small hand because this thing hurts like hell when you keep bending your hand on those strings. Oh man. But thanks, Marvel. You guys are freaking awesome for creating something like this to really feed my geekdom, if you will. Anyway, guys. I'm glad to be back. And I promise you there's so much more to come. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or any social media platform at Latest Action. And if you don't know by now, I also do a little bit of vlogging on the side. You know, just a little bit of a sneak peek into my life outside of Latest Action. Anyway, guys, as usual, I'm actually going to try and do some Spider-Man footage for the new Marvel Spider-Man game that just came out. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to see that I actually collected it earlier than before because they had an early release the night before it came out, which was Friday, I believe. But, yeah. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Or...